Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to take you on a journey to discover one of nature's most vibrant gems, the scarlet ibis. These stunning birds are a sight to behold, their brilliant red plumage making them stand out in any landscape. The scarlet ibis, known scientifically as, is native to the tropical regions of South America and the Caribbean. Picture this, vast wetlands and mangrove swamps dotted with flashes of scarlet as these birds forage for food. It's like watching a living painting. But what makes the scarlet ibis so rare? The secret lies in their diet. They primarily feast on crustaceans, which are rich in carotenoids. These pigments are what give the ibis its characteristic red feathers. It's nature's way of showing off its palate. Now, the scarlet ibis isn't just about looks. They're fascinating creatures with intriguing behaviors. For instance, they are highly social birds, often seen in large flocks. This social structure helps them find food more efficiently and provides protection against predators. Breeding season is another spectacular event. Nesting high in the trees, both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. It's a beautiful example of teamwork and dedication in the animal kingdom. Sadly, like many other species, the scarlet ibis faces threats from habitat destruction and pollution. Wetlands are being drained and mangroves cut down, which poses a severe threat to their survival. It's a stark reminder of how delicate our natural world is and how crucial it is to protect it. However, conservation efforts are underway. Protected areas and reserves are being established to help safeguard these stunning birds and their habitats. And of course, raising awareness is key. By sharing knowledge and spreading the word, we can all play a part in ensuring the scarlet ibis continues to thrive. I hope this glimpse into the world of the scarlet ibis has inspired you. Next time you're exploring nature, keep an eye out for these incredible birds and remember the vibrant beauty they bring to our world. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating nature stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.